In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage personal tasks with ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful tool designed to help you organize and streamline your tasks efficiently, whether they're work-related or personal. If you're juggling multiple responsibilities and looking for a way to stay on top of everything, this tutorial will walk you through how to use ClickUp's features to manage your personal tasks effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear system in place to prioritize, track, and complete your tasks with ease. Let's dive in. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the Home tab. This is your central hub for managing tasks and staying up to date with everything happening in your workspace. Once you're on the Home tab, locate the Inbox section. Here you'll find tags, replies, and updates for your tasks. Think of this as your notification center. It's a great place to start your day and address anything new or urgent. Next, scroll to the My Tasks section. This is where you'll find the Assign to Me view, which lists all the tasks that have been specifically assigned to you. It's an efficient way to focus on what needs your attention without getting sidetracked by other items in your workspace. Now, let's review your tasks by priority. Start with the Today section. This is where you'll see tasks that are due today or marked as immediate priorities. Make sure to review these first, as they require your attention right away. After that, check the Overdue section. This is where you'll find any tasks that have passed their deadline. These tasks likely need follow-up or rescheduling, so take a moment to address them and get them back on track. Once you've reviewed your immediate and overdue tasks, move on to the To-Do section. This is where you'll find all your pending tasks that need action but may not be as time-sensitive. Use this section to plan and prioritize your next steps. For tasks you've already completed, monitor the Done section. This serves as a record of your accomplishments and can help you track your progress over time. In addition to managing your own tasks, it's important to keep an eye on the Delegated section. This is where you'll find tasks that you've assigned to others. Reviewing this section regularly ensures you're staying updated on the progress of delegated work and can follow up as needed. To keep everything organized, focus on categorizing your tasks effectively. Under the To-Do section, you'll notice categories like Today, Overdue, Next, and Unscheduled. Use these categories to sort your tasks based on their priority and deadlines. This makes it easier to manage your workload and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. For tasks that are personal rather than professional, ClickUp offers the option to create a personal list under the My Tasks section. This is perfect for tracking things like meal prep, appointments, or other personal responsibilities. You can even customize your list to separate professional and personal tasks, helping you maintain a clear boundary between work and life. Finally, take the time to explore each section and feature within ClickUp. The more familiar you become with the platform, the easier it will be to tailor it to your needs and make the most of its capabilities. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.